Hello friends, my name is Amit Kumar. Today we are with lecture number 36. The topic going to be covered is sustainability issues in social entrepreneurship. Areas to be focused during the presentation are as follows. First of all, we will cover what is social entrepreneurship. Then we will cover the role of social entrepreneurs. After that, we will cover the challenges addressed by social entrepreneurs while performing their roles. Then we will cover the sustainability issues in social entrepreneurship. Social entrepreneurship. As we understand that the purpose of entrepreneurial activities when target upliftment of society at large, then such entrepreneurial activities comes under the category of social entrepreneurship. So, when entrepreneurs go for performing entrepreneurial activities for upliftment of the society, then only their activity will get regarded as social entrepreneurship. It is not same as social service. So, where social service is meant for serving the society without expecting much from the society, social entrepreneurship is meant for upliftment the standard of the society while serving them. While performing entrepreneurial activities, social entrepreneurs fit themselves in certain roles. The roles they play while performing entrepreneurial activities has been observed that mostly social entrepreneurs have been playing their role for eradicating extreme poverty, hunger, for achieving universal primary education, to promote gender equality and empowering women, to reduce child mortality, to improve maternal health, to combat HIV/AIDS, malaria, and other diseases, to ensure environmental sustainability for global partnership and development, etc. So, entrepreneurial activities of social entrepreneurs get fit into these roles. And these roles are performed for addressing certain challenges. The challenges addressed by social entrepreneurs may get summarized as the area of health, water sanitation, education, sustainable infrastructure like housing and communications, renewable energy, environmental sustainability, food and nutrition, women's issues, sustainable agricultural technology, etc. So, when these challenges will get addressed by the social entrepreneurs while performing entrepreneurial activities, of course, few obstacles will come in between. So, on this slide, those obstacles will get dealt. As seen in current days, it is becoming difficult for social entrepreneurs to continue or sustain in the current competitive world due to various reasons or obstacles like social entrepreneurial structure, social entrepreneurial sector does not have consistent access to capital. There are complex agendas. There are problems related to non-transparent reporting. There are problems related to media loves due to media loves new non-profit enterprises. Social sector leaders are struggling with burnouts and many more. But we will deal only these points which are listed over here. Social entrepreneurial structure does not support innovation in our society, and it is because of our social structure or due to influence of the investors who invest money for entrepreneurial activities. Then the sector does not have consistent access to capital because capital is limited for early stage social enterprises and it is greatly diminished for proven social enterprises. There may be complex agendas. Complex agendas means that is private sector. If in private sector, if better product is designed, venture capitalists come with cash and they just expect better return. That's it. They do not try to influence the entrepreneurs in private sectors. But on the other hand, in social sector, mostly investors force entrepreneurs to mold the process as per their needs, which may impact negatively for entrepreneurial activities of social sector. Then non-transparent reporting means social sector is starved for funding. There is often a push to report the best funding possible in order to maximize the likelihood of the next round of funding. It is not that anyone misrepresents their results, but the link between the positive funding and future survival funding is perilous. Again, this dynamic undercuts ex- experimentation and innovation. Similarly, funders generally reward positive results. They are less likely to fund social entrepreneurs who report setbacks, let alone failures, even when those experiments can lead to better strategies for the field. Then the media loves new non-profit organization, which means that it is fascinated towards large business but not with large social enterprises. Media tends to focus on small or new enterprises that feature a narrative of human compassion, a new technology or new use of technology. The social sector is an elephant graveyard for such short-term stories. This result as demotivational aspect. Apart from that, another major area of concern is or major obstacle which has been observed. In social sector, leaders are struggling with burnouts. Those leaders are dealing with chronic stress of maintaining growing their organization. They are also suffering from depression and burnouts. As per the data referred while studying, nearly 50% of social entrepreneurs attending the World Economic Forum's annual meeting 2018 reported struggling with burnout and depression who get considered as most successful one. In addition to burnout, the egos of passionate social sector leaders may at times impede their business judgment. So these are the major issues which are there in the area of social entrepreneurship. I think I have given you enough input in regard of the issues, in regard of the sustainability issues in social entrepreneurship, on the basis of which you can build up your own knowledge bank while referring various contents lying on the web as well as with the books. So that's it for today. Thank you very much for listening me and bye bye.